In this lecture we are going to discuss chapter number 2, Pythagoras theorem. 1 mark each question that are asked in question number first A and first B as a MCQ and the solving. Those questions are belongs to the question bank provided by Maharashtra State Board. Look at the question first A. Choose the correct alternative from those given below. 1 mark each question. Out of given triplets, which is Pythagoras triplet? We have the choice code A 1, 5, 10. So in case of 1, 5, 10, let us try to evaluate the greatest number among the given number. We have the greatest number is 10, whose square we have 100. Now look at the next two numbers. We have 1 and 5. So square sum of them, that means 1 square plus 5 square, we are getting 1 square is 1. 5 square is 25, 25 plus 1 is 26. Now 26, which is not equal to the 10 square, means the 100, so that given numbers are not in Pythagorean triplet. Look at the next one. We have 3, 4 and 5. So among them we have the greatest number at start. So this is for the choice code A. Now we are going to discuss choice code B. Is of the form, the triplet we have given, that is 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Among them, we are writing at start the greatest number. Greatest number we have a 5, and whose square we are getting 25. Look at the next two numbers. We have 3 and 4. So square sum of them, that means 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. 16 plus 9 we have a 25, and that 25 is equal to we have 5 square. So that given three numbers 3, 4, 5 are in Pythagoras triplet. Look at the next option. We are verifying the next option too. 2, 2, 2. That means once the given numbers are in Pythagoras triplet, so 3, 4, 5, that are the sides of right angle triangle. And we well known the hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle. Look at the option C. We have 2, 2, 2. That means we have ultimately the equilateral triangle here. 2, 2, 2, all three sides are equal. So those numbers 2, 2, 2 are not in Pythagorean triplet. You may verify. 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, which is not equal to 2 square as a 4. So given three numbers are not in Pythagorean triplet. Next to it we have 5, 5, 2. So here again hypotenuse is the longest side, that means greatest number among them we have 5 and 5 itself, so that we can't verify here the hypotenuse. It is isosceles triangle whose two sides are equal, 5 and 5, and the other is different one. So once we are evaluating the 5 square, which is 25, and other 5 square we have 25 plus 4, we are getting 29. That is not equals to the 25. That means last option D, we have 5, 5, 2 are not in Pythagorean triplet. Look at the question number 2, which is of same kind. Out of given triplet, which is not a Pythagoras triplet. Now we have to verify the given triplets among them which is not a Pythagorean triplet. We have 5, 12, 13. So among them, which is the greatest number? We have a 13, and 13 square we have 169. Now the square sum of remaining two number, we have 5 square plus 12 square, that is equals to 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144. Once we add up them, we are getting exactly the 169. That means 5, 2, 12 are in Pythagorean triplet. Look at the choice code B. We have it is of the form, given the triplet, that is 8, 15, 17. Among them the greatest number is 17, whose square we have 289. Look at the other two number. We have a 8 and 15. So square sum of them, 8 square is 64, 15 square is 225. Once we add up them, we are getting 289, which is exactly equals to the 17 square. That means the given triplet 8, 15, 17 is a Pythagorean triplet. Look at the next one, 7, 8, 15. So choice code C we have 7, 8, 15. Among them the greatest number is 15, whose square we have 225. Look at the next two numbers, we have 7 and 8. So that 7 square plus 8 square, 7 square is 49, while 8 square is 64. Once we add up them, we are getting 9 plus 4 is 13, carry 1, 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So here 113, which is not equal to the 225, means the 15 square. So that we can write here 7 square plus 8 square, that is not equal to the 15 square. So that 7, 8, 15 are not in Pythagorean triplet. So our correct choice code is choice code C, that is 7, 8, 15. You may verify for the choice code D2. We have 24, 25, 7. So among them, I am writing the choice code D first. We have the triplet is of the form 24, 25, 7. Among them 25 is the greatest number, whose square we are getting 25 square is 625. While we have the next two numbers are 7 and 24. So that once we take the square sum of remaining two number, that means 7 square plus 24 square, we have a 7 square is 49, while 24 square we have 576. 576 plus 49, we are getting 625. So that is equals to the 25 square, that is 625. That means given three numbers 24, 25, 27 satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. So the three numbers 24, 25, 7 are in Pythagorean triplet. So our correct choice code is choice code C, 7, 8, 15. Look at the third MCQ we have of the form out of given triplets which is not a Pythagoras triplet. We have first one is that 9, 40, 41. So that I am writing choice code A, we have 9, 40, 41. Among them the greatest number is 41, whose square we have 1681. While remaining two numbers we have 9 and 40, whose square sum we are getting 9 square is 81, while 40 square is 1600. Once we add up them, we are getting 1681, which is exactly equals to the 41 square. So that here we can write 9 square plus 40 square, that is equals to we have 41 square. So it should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. That means given three numbers 9, 40, 41 are in Pythagorean triplet. Look at the next choice code we have B. It is of the form 11, 60, 61. Among them the greatest number is 61, whose square we are getting 3721. While remaining two numbers we have 11 and 60. So square sum of them we have 11 square plus 60 square. 11 square is 121, while 60 square we have 3600. Once we add up them we are getting 3721. So which is exactly equals to the 61 square. So that we can write 11 square plus 60 square, that is equals to 61 square. That means the given three numbers 11, 60, 61 should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So that 11, 60, 61 are in Pythagorean triplet. Look at the choice code C now. We have it is of the form 6, 14, 15. Among them greatest number we have a 15, whose square is 225. Look at the remaining two number we have 6 and 14. So that once we are taking square sum of them, we have 6 square is 36, while 14 square is we have 196. 196 plus 36, we are getting 232, which is not equal to, we can say 225 means the 15 square. So that 6 square plus 14 square, which is not equal to the 15 square. That means the given three numbers 6, 14, 15 does not satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So 6, 14, 15 are not in Pythagorean triplet. So our correct choice code is choice code C. You may verify for the D, 6, 8, 10. Those three numbers satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. That means 6, 8, 10 are in Pythagorean triplet. Now look at the fourth MCQ we have. It is of the form in right angled triangle, if sum of squares of sides of right angle is 160 69, then what is the length of its hypotenuse? So supposed to be we have the right angle triangle, that is ABC, which is right angled at B. Those sides which are at right angled, their square sum we have given. So which are the sides at a right angle? AB and BC. So that here we have given square sum of AB and BC, that means AB square plus BC square, that to be equals to 169. Now given triangle is a right angle triangle, it should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem, so that we are having AB square plus BC square, that is equals to the hypotenuse, that is AC square. So that we have here AB square plus BC square as per the given 169, that is equals to AC square. After all, taking square root on both sides, we are getting the value of AC is 13. So that the square sum of remaining two sides we have given 169. So the hypotenuse we have here a 13. So we have correct choice code is B as a 13. Look at the MCQ number 5. A rectangle having length of a side is 12 and the length of diagonal is 20. Then what is the length of other side? So let us have figure out the given question. We have the rectangle. Let us, I would like to consider ABCD, whose diagonal we have AC and the BD. Now here we have only one diagonal, that is let it be the AC. Now we have given length of the side of rectangle is 12. That means suppose we are assuming AB value is 12 and diagonal AC value we have given, let it be at 20. We have to evaluate the other side, means the breadth of the rectangle. So now we well known what is mean by the rectangle. If pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel and all angles are to be 90 degree, then we can say the given quadrilateral is a rectangle. That means here we have the right angle triangle, that is ABC, which is right angled at B. Once we use the Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle ABC, so that we are getting here AC square to be equals to, now we are having square sum of remaining two sides, that means the AB square plus we have the BC square. So that AC value we have given 20, so that we are getting 20 square to be equals to AB value we have a 12, so 12 square plus we are evaluating the other side of rectangle, that is BC here. So keep that BC square as it is. Now 20 square we have 400, while 12 square we have 144, and plus BC square remains as it is. Now once to evaluate the value of at start the BC square, we are shifting 144 from RHS to LHS, so that we are getting 400 minus 144, that to be equals to we have BC square. So that now we have 400 minus of 144 becomes 256. So the value of BC square is 256. After all, taking square root on both sides, we are getting square root of BC square is the BC, square root of 256 we have a 16. So the other side of a rectangle, that means we can say is breadth of the rectangle is 16. So the correct choice code we have D as a 16. Look at the MCQ number 6. We have it is of the form, if the length of diagonal of a square is root 2, then what is the length of each side? Now we have given a quadrilateral as a square. So what is mean by the square? If all sides of a quadrilateral are equal and each angle becomes a 90 degree, it is called as a square. So any square having two diagonals, let us try to consider, supposed to be we have the diagonal AC, whose value we have given, that is root 2. So now look at the triangle ABC. It is a right angle triangle because in triangle ABC we have angle ABC is equals to exactly the 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle. So every right angle triangle should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So I am writing here in triangle we have ABC. Measures of an angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. That means we are defining that the given triangle is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem in that triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, we are getting now the hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angle triangle, or we can say the opposite side to the 90 degree angle, that is AC. So that we are having now AC square to be equals to AB square plus BC square. Now we well known AB to be equals to BC, or we might be says BC to be equals to AB, because given quadrilateral is a square, so all sides are identical. So here we can replace now AC by its value. AC we have given the root 2, so that we are getting root 2 square to be equals to AB square plus BC is the AB, so that we are getting the AB square. Now root 2 square is 2, while AB square plus AB square is 2 times AB square. 2 from both sides getting cancelled, we have AB square to be equals to 1. After all taking square root on both sides, we have the value of AB is 1 unit. So we can say that the each side of a given quadrilateral is a 1 unit. That means correct choice code, we have choice code C as a 1. Look at the MCQ number 7. If length of both diagonals of a rhombus are 60 and 80, then what is the length of the side? Now what is mean by the rhombus? For a quadrilateral, supposed to be all four sides are identical, then we can say that given quadrilateral is a rhombus. So supposed to be we have the quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Now what about the properties of diagonals of a rhombus? That are perpendicular as well as bisects each other. That means we can say that those two diagonal AC and the BD are intersecting in point O, then we have OD equals to that of OB, and while AO equals to we have the OC. So once we are assuming here that we have given the value of AC is equal to 60, that should implies the value of AO half of 60, that means we have the 30 unit. While suppose we are assuming the other diagonal length BD we have given 80, then the value of BO exactly half of what 80, because here O be the midpoint of both the diagonals, keep in mind. So the BO value we have the 40. So let us try to substitute the given number on the figure. We have AO equals to 30 and OB equals to 40. So look at the triangle now, black shaded triangle, we have the AOB. I am writing now in triangle AOB, we have measures of an angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. That means the given triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. That means it should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So that we are getting the AB square, that is equals to we have AO square plus BO square. Try to replace by their value. AO is equals to we have 30, so that we are getting 30 square plus BO is 40, so that we are getting 40 square. 30 square is 900, while 40 square we have 1600. Once we add up them, we are getting here 2500. So the value of AB square is 2500. Once we are taking square root on both sides, so that the value of AB we are getting exactly equals to a 50 unit. So now once the given quadrilateral is a rhombus, so all sides are identical. That means we are having here AB equals to BC equals to we have the CD is equal to the AD, and all four sides of given quadrilateral are equal to now 50. So the length of side of a given rhombus is equal to we have 50 unit. So the correct choice code we have B as a 50. Now look at the MCQ number 8. If length of sides of a triangle are A, B, C and A square plus B square equals to C square, then which type of triangle it is? Now once we have given the sides of triangle are ABC, and that should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem, that means square sum of any two sides of a triangle is equal to we have the square of hypotenuse, so that we can say by using the converse of Pythagoras theorem, given triangle is a right angle triangle. So look at the choice code, we have choice code D is the correct choice code, that is right angle triangle. Now look at the MCQ number 9. In triangle ABC we have given AB equals to 6 times root 3 centimeter, AC equals to 12 centimeter, BC equals to 6 centimeter, then measures of angle A is equal to. So that there are three numbers we have given, try to verify are those three numbers in Pythagorean triplet, that means are they satisfies the Pythagoras theorem or not. So among them the greatest value we have the 12, whose square we are getting 144. While the remaining two numbers are square addition, we are getting 6 times root 3 the whole square plus we have 6 square. Now 6 square is 36, 36 into root of 3 the whole square we have a 3, 36 into 3 we are getting 108 plus 6 square we have 36. Once we add up them we are getting 144. That is exactly equals to the 12 square. So that here we can write 6 times root 3 centimeter be the value of AB. so that we may have AB square plus 6 be the value of BC. So BC square, that to be equals to we have the AC, that means AC square. So that once we have the triangle which is a right angle triangle, now once it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem, whose hypotenuse we have the AC, so the given triangle which is right angled at B. So let's try to put the length of each side on the triangle. We have the value of hypotenuse AC is 12 now, while BC value we have given the 6 and AB value we have given 6 times root 3. Now we have to verify that or find that measures of an angle A. So once we are taking the ratio of two sides of a triangle like BC divided by AC, so BC is nothing but ultimately with respect to an angle A, opposite side, while the hypotenuse we have as a AC, so that we are having here opposite upon hypo, that will gives us the sine of an angle A here. Basic formulation for sine ratio, we have opposite side upon the hypotenuse, that means here we have BC upon AC. Now the value of BC we are having 6 and value of AC is 12. 6 divided by 12 we are getting sine of angle A is equal to half. Now look at the trigonometric tables of values. We have trigonometric ratios of value as per the trigonometric table. For the sine angle we have half becomes the sine of 30 degree. So that should implies measures of an angle A, that is equals to we have 30 degree. Look at the choice code. We have choice code A be the correct choice code, that is 30 degree. Look at the MCQ number 10. We have it is of the form the diagonal of a square is 10 times root 2 centimeter, then its a perimeter is. We have 4 choice code. Among them we have to choose the correct one. So that we have given a quadrilateral as a square. Now what is mean by the square? If all sides of a quadrilateral are congruent and each angle should be the 90 degree, then the given quadrilateral is said to be a square. Now once we have name of the square is ABCD, and let us have any one diagonal. We are taking the AC whose length we have 10 times root of 2 centimeter. Now let's try to evaluate firstly the side of a square. So that look at the triangle ABC which is a right angle triangle, so it should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So that we are getting here AB square plus BC square, that to be equals to now we are having the AC square. That means AC becomes the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle ABC. Now here all sides of a quadrilateral are equal because given quadrilateral is a square, so that we can replace BC by its value in terms of AB. We are getting AB square plus AB square, that to be equals to AC square. Now we have 10 times root 2 the whole square. AB square plus AB square we are getting 2 times AB square, that is equals to 10 square becomes 100 and root 2 square we have a 2. Now 2 and 2 from both side getting cancelled, we have AB square equals to 100. So that should implies now after all taking square root on both sides, the value of AB is equal to we have 10 centimeter. Now given quadrilateral is a square, that means ultimately we are getting AB equals to BC equals to we have CD is equal to AC, and both are is equal to we have the AD, and both are to be equals to we have 10 centimeter, because given quadrilateral is a square, all sides are same, or we can say is the congruent. Now we have to evaluate the perimeter of given quadrilateral ABCD. Here P stands for the perimeter. Now we are having all four sides are equal, that means we are getting the perimeter becomes sum of all sides, that means AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. All four sides are equal, that means we are having AB plus AB plus AB plus AB, so that we are having 4 times AB. That to be equals to 4 into 10, we are getting 40 centimeter. Now look at the given choice codes. Among them we have the correct choice code is choice code D as a 40 centimeter. Now look at the next and last MCQ number 11. Out of all numbers from the given dates, which is the Pythagoras triplet? So look at the choice code A. We have given 15, 8 and 17. So among them the greatest number is 17, whose square we have 289. While remaining numbers we have 15 and 8, whose square sum we are getting 15 square is 225, 8 square is 64. Once we add up them, we are getting 289, which is exactly equals to the 17 square. That means here we can say 15 square plus 8 square, that is equals to we are having 17 square. That means given three numbers 15, 8 and 17 should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. That means given three numbers 15, 8 and 17 are in Pythagoras triplet. So our correct choice code is choice code A. You may verify for the choice code B, choice code C and choice code D here. Look at the first B. Solve the following questions. Each of 1 mark questions we are having. Within it, the first question, height and base of right angle triangle are 24 cm and 18 cm. Find the length of hypotenuse. So let's have the right angle triangle first. We have the right angle triangle. Let us, we are assuming ABC, which is right angled at B. We have given height. Height becomes now the AB under assumption. We have 24 cm. And base under assumption we have the BC, that is 18 cm. And hypotenuse of given right angle triangle, which is the longest side, or we may say the opposite side to the 90 degree, that is AC, we have to evaluate. So by using the Pythagoras theorem in given right angle triangle ABC, we are getting AC square to be equals to AB square plus BC square. Now the value of AB we have 24, so that 24 square plus value of BC we have 18, so that 18 square. So that value of AC square we are getting 24 square is 576, while 18 square, 18 into 18 we are getting 324. Once we add up them, value of AC square we are getting 900. Taking square root on both sides, so that AC to be equals to square root of 900 we have 30. Unit we have given as a centimeter. So length of hypotenuse of a given right angle triangle we have 30 centimeters. So you may have at last the word-wise solution. We are having length of hypotenuse is equal to 30 centimeter. Look at the question number second. It is of the form, from given figure triangle ABC, AB is perpendicular to BC, AB equals to we have BC, then measures of angle A is equal to. Now look at the triangle. We have given a right angle triangle which is right angled at B. We have given AB equals to BC. So we can say that now by using isosceles triangle theorem, once here we have any two sides of a triangle are congruent or equal, then we can say that the given triangle is a isosceles triangle. So by using isosceles triangle theorem, we are getting the base angles are equal. That means those angles which are lie opposite to the congruent sides, those angles are congruent. So which are the opposite angles of the given congruent side? Opposite angle of AB we have an angle C, and opposite angle of segment BC we have an angle A. So that we can say here angle A is equal to we have an angle C. Now by using the triangle law, we are having sum of all angles of a triangle, that is equals to 180 degree. That means here we are having now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Now we have to evaluate for an angle A, so keep that angle A as it is. Angle B value, right angle means the 90 degree, while angle C is same as that of an angle A, so that we can replace angle C by its value in terms of angle A, and that is equals to we have 180 degree. So now angle A plus angle A becomes 2 times an angle A, while once we shift now the 90 degree from LHS to RHS, plus 90 becomes we have minus of 90. So that 2 times an angle A is equal to we have 90 degree. To evaluate the value of an angle A, shift that 2 from LHS to RHS, 90 divided by 2, we are having 45 degree. So the measures of an angle A equals to 45 degree. So that we can say is the measures of an angle C is equals to again the 45 degree. That means given triangle ABC is of the kind 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. Now look at the third sub question. From the given figure in triangle ABC, AB is perpendicular on BC, AB equals to, we have the BC, AC equals to 2 times root 2, then length of AB is equal to. Now given triangle, I am writing in triangle ABC, we have angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. That means given triangle is a right angle triangle. So it should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So that we are writing here by Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse is the AC. So AC square to be equals to, we have AB square plus BC square. Now once as per the given data AB equals to BC, so that we can replace now BC in terms of AB, because here we have to evaluate the value of length of AB. AC value we have given already 2 times root 2. So 2 times root 2 the whole square is equal to, we have a AB square plus BC is same as that of AB. So we are replacing BC in terms of AB. We are getting BC square now is equals to the AB square. So 2 square becomes 4, while root 2 square we have a 2. That to be equals to AB square plus AB square, we are having 2 times AB square. Now 2 and 2 from both sides getting cancelled. So that should implies now the AB square equals to 4. After all taking square root on both sides, we are getting value of AB is 2 units. So we can write now the length of AB, that is equals to, we have here 2 units. Look at the fourth question. We have from the given figure in triangle ABC, AB is perpendicular on BC. AB equals to, we have the BC, AC equals to 5 times root 2. Then what is the height of triangle ABC? So under consideration, once we assume that AB is perpendicular drawn on the BC, so under consideration BC becomes base of the triangle, and while AB becomes height of the triangle. Here height to be equals to base, so that once the given triangle, I am writing in triangle ABC, we have an angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. That means given triangle is a right angle triangle. So each right angle triangle should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So we are writing by Pythagoras theorem. As per Pythagoras theorem, for the given triangle ABC, we are having hypotenuse square equals to square sum of remaining two sides. That means we are having AB square plus BC square. Now we have given the hypotenuse AC value is 5 times root 2. So that we are getting 5 times root 2 the whole square is equal to, AB becomes height, so keep that AB square as it is, while BC is same as that of, we have the AB. So try to replace BC by its value AB, so that BC square is equal to, here we have AB square. Now 5 square is 25, root 2 square is 2, while AB square plus AB square 2 times we are having AB square. Now 2 and 2 from both sides getting cancelled, so that will remain with AB square to be equals to 25. Let's taking square root on both sides. AB square is square root, we have AB, while 25 is square root, we have a 5. So the length of height of given triangle ABC is equals to, we have 5 units. So that we are writing at last the final solution. Therefore height of triangle ABC is equals to, we have the AB, and that is equals to, we have 5 units. Or we may have it is same as that of the BC, so we may write AB equals to BC equals to the 5 units here. Look at now the sixth sub question from question first B. From the given figure in triangle ABQ, if AQ equals to 8 cm, so that we have given the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, that is AQ, which is 8 cm, then find the value of AB. So look at the given triangle. We can write that for a given triangle ABC, by using the triangle law, we are having angle A plus angle B plus angle Q, that to be equals to, we have the triangle ABQ, that to be equals to, we have 180 degrees. Sum of all angles of a triangle equals to 180 degrees. Try to replace the known values. We have measures of an angle B is 90 degree, while measures of an angle Q is equals to 30 degree. Keep that angle A as it is, that is equals to, we have 180 degree. So angle A plus, we have 90 plus 30, that will becomes 120 degree, that is equals to, we have 180 degree. So to evaluate the measures of an angle A, try to shift now 120 from LHS to RHS, so that plus 120 becomes now the minus of 120, so that measures of an angle A, we are writing the 60 degree. So that we have now triangle ABQ is of the form 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So we well known the opposite side of 30 degree angle in case of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, we have half of the hypotenuse. So 30 degree angle opposite side we have the AB, so that we can write AB to be equals to half of hypotenuse we have the AQ. Try to replace by their value. We are going to evaluating here value of AB, that is equals to half of hypotenuse we have AQ, whose value we have given 8 centimeter. Now we well known 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So the length of AB is equal to, we have 4, unit we have given the centimeter. So AB is 4 centimeter. Look at the question number 7 from first B. In right angle triangle, if length of hypotenuse is 25 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter, then what is the length of its base? So let us try to construct one right angle triangle. We have ABC with the right angle triangle which is right angled at B. We have given now the length of hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. We have hypotenuse is AC which is opposite to 90 degree angle, and we have under consideration AB with the perpendicular on BC. So BC becomes base, and while height we have the AB. So that here we have given the length of height is 7 centimeter. That means length of AB we have 7 centimeter. We have to evaluate the base, that means the length of BC. So for a given triangle ABC which is right angled at B, so by using Pythagoras theorem we have hypotenuse square, that is AC square equals to square sum of remaining two sides. We have a AB square plus BC square. So try to replace by their value. We are getting AC value is 25, so 25 square equals to height we have the AB whose value we have is 7, so that 7 square plus we have BC square. Now 25 square is 625 while 7 square is 49 and plus BC square remains as it is. Now to evaluate the length of base of a given right angle triangle means the BC, try to evaluate first the BC square value, so that we are shifting 49 from RHS to LHS. Plus 49 becomes minus 49 after all shifting, so that the value of BC square we have 625 minus 49, 576. So let's try to take the square root on both sides. So the value of BC we are getting 24, unit we have the centimeter, so that BC value we have 24 centimeter. So at last we are writing our answer. Therefore height of right angle triangle, we have the length of base actually. So the base of right angle triangle we are having as a BC, and that to be equals to, now we are getting 24 centimeter. Hence we have our answer. Look at the question number 8. We have, it is of the form, if a triangle having the sides 50 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 48 centimeter, then state whether the given triangle is a right angle triangle or not. That means once the given three numbers are in Pythagorean triplet, means it should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. Then we can say that 50 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 48 centimeter are the sides of right angle triangle. So among the given number 50, 14 and 48, we have the greatest number is 50. So that whose square we are having, that means the 50 square we have 2500. Now look at the remaining two number, that is 14 and 48. Their square addition we are getting, that means the 14 square plus 48 square, that to be equals to, now we have 14 square, 14 into 14 196, while 48 square 48 into 48 we are having 2304. Once we add up them we are getting 2500, which is exactly equals to the 50 square. So that means we can say here that should implies now 14 square plus 48 square, that is equals to 50 square. So that should implies the given three number, that are 50, 40, 48 satisfies Pythagoras theorem. That means the given three numbers are in Pythagorean triplet. So that should implies 50 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 48 centimeter are the sides of right angle triangle. Hence we verified here the given three numbers are the sides of right angle triangle. Now look at the question number 9. It is of the form, if a triangle having the sides 8 cm, 15 cm and 17 cm, then state whether the given triangle is a right angle triangle or not. So that we have same kind of question as compared to the question number 8. So we have here the three numbers that are 8, 15 and 17. Once they should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem, then we can say that 8, 15, 17 are in Pythagorean triplet, means 8 cm, 15 cm and 17 cm are the sides of right angle triangle. So look at the number. Among them, we are writing at start the greatest number. Greatest number is, we have a 17. So that we are having now the 17 square is equal to, we have 17 into 17 becomes 289. While the square sum of remaining two numbers, that means 8 and 15 are the remaining two numbers, their square sum means 8 square plus 15 square. We are getting 8 square, 8 8s are 64, while 15 square, 15 into 15, we are having 225. Once we add up them, we are getting 289, which is exactly same as that of 17 square. So that should implies now the 8 square plus 15 square, that is equals to, we have 17 square. So that should implies now 8, 15, 17 satisfies Pythagoras theorem. Once they satisfies the Pythagoras theorem, that means the given three numbers 8, 15, 17 are in Pythagorean triplet, means here we can write therefore 8 cm, 15 cm and 17 cm are sides of right angle triangle. Hence we have here our answer for question number 9. So look at now the question number 10 from first B. A rectangle having dimensions 35 meter by 12 meter, then what is the length of its diagonal? So what is mean by the rectangle first? For a given quadrilateral, once pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel and all angles are equal, means that are equal to the 90 degree, then the given quadrilateral is said to be a rectangle. So suppose to be we have the rectangle ABCD, and once we have any one diagonal of the rectangle, that is AC, because as per the properties of diagonals of a rectangle are congruent, that means we have the AC equals to BD. So let's have to construct any one diagonal. Here we are having the AC. We have given here dimensions of rectangles are of the form 35 meter by 12 meter. That means length of rectangle, that is AB, we have given 35 meter, and the breadth of rectangle, that is BC, equals to, we have given the 12 meter. Now look at the triangle. I am writing in triangle ABC. We have an angle B equals to 90 degree. That means given triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Therefore we are writing every right angle triangle should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So that by Pythagoras theorem, we are having here the diagonal becomes now the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle ABC, because which is opposite to 90 degree angle. So that we are having AC square to be equals to remaining two side square addition, means we are getting AB square plus BC square. So that AC square is equal to, we have now the value of AB is 35. So 35 square plus BC value we have a 12. So plus 12 square. So that 35 square means 35 into 35, we are getting 1225 plus 12 square means 12 into 12, we are getting 144. Once we add up 1225 with 144, we are getting the value of AC square is 1369. Now after all taking square root on both sides, square root of AC square becomes AC, while square root of 1369 is 37. So that we can able to write here AC becomes the diagonal of the rectangle. So that diagonal or length of, we may have length of diagonal of a rectangle is equal to, we have the AC and value of AC is now 37 centimeter. So here we have all 10 questions from first B. So today we will stop here. During the next lecture we are going to discuss question 2A as an activity based question while question 2B as a solving questions. Thank you.